smaller ones to go with the bigger ones.
Okay.
So I don't have to go there every day, but
Yeah.
I'm just getting tired of all these stops myself.
Yeah.
But when I went and did my banking and on my computer this morning, I said, there's no way I'm going to make it to the 25th. And what I've got.
Good my way, Mom.
So I have to go to Waters.
Yeah.
Which would be the best way would be to go down Henderson and follow it through at Line Ball.
Right.
Line Ball.
And then after that, I'll take you guys home.
Yeah. Do what you gotta do first, Mom.
I've got.
Don't rush.
Yep.
I'm just starting to burn out. I'm getting a headache.
Well, what do you need? I have all my pills with me.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good.
I have a Tylenol acetaminophen.
All I need is air, and you got it on, so I'm good.
Okay.
I kind of started going into shock when you guys were in Walmart.
Oh, you could have come in Walmart.
I know.
Yeah,
that's what Sharon said. That was cool. I was watching the funny people walk around.
I watch the birds.
Yeah.
I sit and wait for Sharon.
I did get some biotin. They did get some in, so I got a small bottle.
That's good.
For my nails so they can grow.
There you go. I haven't heard that name in a while. Biotin.
Biotin.
Yep.
It's a B vitamin.
Yeah.
Hair, skin, and nails. And it worked. Look at my nails.
They look good.
Yep. Yeah, I didn't do anything to them because they have a white hair polish on them. They're growing well. And my skin is clearing up. You know all those big purple marks?
Yeah.
When I get one now, it's not as bad. And it goes away faster.
I got a bruise right here this morning and I don't know where I got
You have a big one on your wrist. Under your watch. It's
Yeah.
huge.
I don't know I got it either.
The biotin and vitamin C.
And the vitamin D3.
You just blew through a 20-mile-an-hour zone. 25. What is the school zone down
20.
here?
It's 20.
Ah, okay, it's 15 in Pennsylvania. That's all right.
Well, I didn't even see it because I was talking.
That's all right. I was watching for you.
People were distracting.
There were no cops. The guy behind you blew through it too.
Well, see, we have to stop now because we're down here at this charter.
Yeah. What is a magnet school?
The magnet.
I have no idea.
It's run by the county, and it's supposed to be a higher level education.
Oh, okay.
Like if your kid has brains, you want them to go to a magnet school.
Didn't one of Crin's... Didn't one of them go to magnet school? Not... Was it Mikey or one of the girls? Or do they have special
Well, both girls
things they do there?
went to special classes for
Okay.
their particular problems.
Okay. I heard Crin saying something about a magnet school, and I was like, what the hell is a magnet school?
She was looking into a magnet school for Michael,
Oh, okay.
but she was even looking into putting him into back in the Holy Redeemer.
Oh, okay.
Because, you know, you just get a better education, smaller classes, all that stuff. But Michael, when they came back from Texas, he did fine in Texas because their 6th grade is connected to, they go to 8th grades in the same school like we used to in Pennsylvania. And then
Okay.
you go to high school. Here in Florida, you go to 5th grade, then you go to middle school, then you go to high school.
I didn't know that.
How long have you lived here?
I know you go 8 through 12. I didn't know you did that. You go 8 through 6. Then you go 6, 7, 8.
It's kindergarten through 5th grade.
Kindergarten through 5th grade. And then it's 6, 7,
The
8
eighth.
is middle
That's the
school.
middle school.
And then it's 9, 10, 11, 12 is high school.
Right.
Okay.
But back where we come from, and in Texas, they don't have such a thing as middle school. You go to 8th grade in one school.
Right.
Okay.
Then you go to high school.
Yeah.
Then you go to high school.
Elementary is 1 through 8.
1 through 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's different. It's a little bit different.
So Michael was in a nice, easy environment. He didn't have to change classes. He didn't have to. I can go straight, right?
Right, go straight down to Waters.
Right. And it was a small school. He wasn't bullied. He did fine. And they actually had him in accelerated classes because he was doing better than fine.
Good.
Okay. We didn't know Texas was behind Florida in education. We thought it was the other way around. He comes back to Florida and Bryn puts him in Martinez Middle School. He was lost. He was changing classes, going from room to room, like using lockers, which you didn't have to do in Texas.
Yeah.
And he was just thrown into like a high school environment, even though it was just 7th grade. He did terrible. They had to take him out of accelerated classes and put him back in regular classes, and he flunked them all. Flunked regular classes.
Wow.
And he was bullied. He was
bullied.
He was having diarrhea and throwing up every morning before school.
That's what I used to do. I used to throw up in the driveway.
Were you bullied, Bob?
Yes, severely.
Wow.
Who bullied you? Oh, and
In kindergarten and St. Mary's, and then at a little bit in high school, but when I started growing, it all stopped.
got big.
They got scared of me.
Right.
I remember the first time I ever felt I had power was a guy, we were messing around at the lunch table at St. Pius.
Yeah.
I think I was in 10th grade. I think 10th grade, maybe 11th. And something was going on, and we were messing around, throwing stuff around. We used to throw ice and stuff, you know. And I hit a kid, and he stood up. He's like, "Who threw that?" And I stood up and said, "I did." He goes, "Okay." And he sat down, and that was it. And that was when I was like, whoa,
Wow.
I got some power. And ever since then, nobody messed with me ever. Not even as an adult. He better not throw that.
I think he's just having fun with
He
it.
better not. I'm gonna put my sneakers on and run after him.
Speaking of sneakers, I have support stockings up to my knees. And my feet are really sweating.
I got tights up to my waist.
I have hospital
Black
socks
ones, yeah.
on too, so my feet are really hot.
I haven't
Yeah,
worn
so-
tights in a while.
Yeah, I noticed you had one this morning.
I wear tights when I'm in a good mood.
So, which way is Chase? I
This
forget.
way.
This way.
Headed towards Walmart.
Right. It's further down towards Shelby.
Right.
Right. Good. That wasn't so bad. He's gonna fall out the window himself. He should be in a seatbelt.
Yeah, you should.
Get your damn seatbelt.
He's gonna be on GoPro in a second.
Is there anybody else?
That's Mr. Bob.
Yes, there's somebody in the front seat.
There's somebody else in the back seat.
No, there's somebody else in the front seat.
Yeah, it looks like a kid with big ponytails or something.
Big ears.
Big ears.
Looks like Mickey Mouse. Well, he looks like Mickey from sitting here.
No, that's cool. I like that.
Okay, so let's move the
I will yell at
hand
him.
straps around a little bit more.
I will yell at you.
Put your kid's seatbelt on. Jesus. You want him to go flying out the window when you roll your cart?
Hey, buddy. He's waving at us. Hey, bro. Smile for YouTube, man. And put your seatbelt on. All right? Good man. There you go. That's how you think. Give him a little bit. He's got a tail light out too. They're gonna get pulled over.
See, she's got got Mickey ears on.
You have a tail light out too. She just looked at me and gave me a bad look. I'm trying to help you, lady, so you don't get pulled over. You do have a tail light out.
Yeah.
Oh, she's freaked out.
Road rage.
Hey, guess what? I'm trying to help her.
Well, the kid was definitely,
He didn't have a seatbelt. He was hanging so far out.
he was up to his chest.
It was hanging out the window.
That's great. I love it. I don't think they have money because that car is old and it's burning oil. You can smell it. They look pretty poor to me. But yeah, when she puts her brake lights on, her left brake light doesn't come on. Only the right one.
There was a road rage incident yesterday at,
Right here.
oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of the street. Where we go to see Pete?
First we down.
No, not First Downs, the other one, to get you to First Downs.
Fletcher.
Not Foxfire,
Fletcher.
no, not Fletcher. Fowler.
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 The foul.
And Fowler and something.
This isn't Chase.
Oh.
Next one.
Yeah, it's
You gotta go.
blue.
I used to do that too, Mom.
It's blue.
I used to park there and walk across the street because I messed up. When I first came down, I
Yeah?
still have my Chase card, actually.
How about that?
Yeah.
You could put some money in it.
Yeah. No, it's closed. It's
The,
closed.
road rage was strange. There were two men in a pickup truck, and a BMW was alongside of him. The passenger in the pickup truck spit out the window, and it hit the BMW guy's arm. So he gets out of the car and starts yelling at the passenger who did it, and then he pulls out a knife and stabs him in the chest, and the guy died. And the BMW took off.
I heard that.
Isn't that horrible? I mean, I'm sure he didn't intentionally spit on the guy's arm. He probably
Probably
spit,
not.
And the guy kind of drove into it.
Probably went too far.
Yeah,
Something like that.
terrible.
It happens.
It does happen.
I've spit on people's cars by accident. When I have a cold. I don't spit just to spit.
I think that's disgusting.
Yeah. If I have a cold and I have to get
I
something
think
up.
that's disgusting.
Yeah.
All right, where do I put the money now?
Right there.
Let's see, I forgot what I have to put in each bank. Oh, great. I'll put half in one and half in the other. I forgot what the deal was. See, I didn't bring my worksheet with me.
Uh-oh. Your spreadsheet?
No, it was in the spreadsheet. It was in my copybook.
Oh.
I was writing down the outstanding things that were still coming in against the balance for both accounts. And in each account, I was going to be short over $100. One was like $180, and the other one was the rest, I guess. So I'm thinking of putting 200 in one and 200 in the other.
Yeah.
What you do? With 250, 250. I'm going to be, the DMV is going to be $140. There's a guy with a
Well, you could skip that this month, couldn't you?
It was due, we got a notice.
Well, I know it was due a while ago, but they're not going to enforce it, are they?
They enforced it last July when I left it go that long.
Oh, okay.
A police officer came to the house. and gave us
Oh.
24 hours to get it done, and we had to call them by 2 o'clock the next afternoon.
Holy crap.
With a certain code number.
They give you 1 day?
24 hours.
Wow. That's crazy.
Pete had to pay for it because I didn't have any. Pete has bailed me out a lot of times. But he just came here and we didn't have enough.
My thing is, I don't understand why you have to register something that just sits on a piece of property. It's not like it's on the road like a car.
Oh, it can go on the road.
But it can,
And
but
it
it's...
was on the road once. At least,
that's true.
yeah. So anything you drag on the road has to be registered. It's on.
True,
steel
like my
beams.
trailer.
They slide a. I've never seen it done like it, but it's on steel beams already,
Mhm.
and they slide something under it, and it just picks it up.
Yeah. I'll bet my truck could pull Sharon's house.
Well,
or half of ours. I pulled a really big bucket truck up a hill that broke down
Yeah.
at one of the places I worked at when I was a lineman with my Ford. That truck, I put it in 4-wheel drive, pulled it up a wet hill.
Wow.
Yeah. And the guy was impressed. He's like, your truck won't even be able to move this. I'm like, watch this, buddy. I got almost to the top of the hill, my wheels started spinning.
Oh wow.
It was a 31,000 pound truck.
Bucket truck.
wow.
Yeah, 31,000 pounds.
You moved it with whose Ford truck?
Mine, the one
Your
out
green
front.
one?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
that truck is powerful.